Yeah, I'm gonna give you something. I'm gonna give you another nugget. I found this too. Um, the Parental Rights and Responsibilities Act of
Hold on,
1995.
hold on. I'm right. I'm typing in right.
Yeah, I haven't used any one. I just opened both because I'm running my mouth. The Parental Rights and Responsibilities Act, 1995.
1995.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it pulled right on up.
This specifically tells you that the courts must, any official in getting involved in how you raise your child, trying to intervene and try to take authority on how a parent raises their child, must prove that that parent is of some danger to that child, to that physical harm or to that child's life. They have to have
Right.
evidence, not just some fake ass accusations they be using in these fake courts. They have to have evidence of that. Otherwise, they're in violation of that act.
Shit, boy. Hey, that's a good nigga right there.
Exactly. You read that, that thing goes all in on it. I didn't even know about that shit. I learned that one from a few weeks ago.
Parental rights and responsibility Act 1995. Bam, bam. Yeah, yeah.
They don't get to interact. So they don't get to intervene in how you raise your child. That includes child support. You don't put nobody on no child support contract. It ain't got nothing to do with how I raise my child. Ain't got shit to do with you.
Exactly. I'm
You're
saying.
a public official. You provide a service. A service is only merited when someone they come to you to
Hey,
inquire about the
I got
service.
a question though. I got a question. I'm reading this act, and I understand what you're saying about it, and what it limits them. They gotta show actual proof, not just hearsay.
Hmm.
But how does that how does that apply if they say, well, you know, your birth certificate is stated your birth certificate. In Georgia, we don't have nothing the certificate of live birth, but you say you sign over when you sign that, and it gave us no state of Georgia, state of the
Show
right
me
to
the law
know.
that says that.
I'm asking. I'm
No,
not.
no, no, no,
Hey,
no. I know where you're going. Where is there a law that says that?
I'm asking you. Shit,
There
I'm
is
gonna
no
ask a
law that
question.
says that. That's some
Yeah.
bullshit you heard on the internet.
Oh, yeah.
These
I
people
just
that's unlearned, they don't know the fuck they talking about.
yeah.
Just
I
cause
don't.
your name on the birth certificate does not mean that they get authority over you over how you raise your damn child. I don't know who
Yeah.
made that bullshit up and started spreading it.
I don't know. I was asking like,
That's
that would be
that'll make you that defeats the purpose for you even wanting to fight.
yeah. You had no fight. You had no
You have
cause in
no,
the fight.
yeah. That goes against the Constitution. It says that the parental it says that the government they derive their authority from the consent of the governed. So how in the hell does that? How does that's a contradiction?
That's like going to court saying the state of is the injured party and they also the plaintiff. Like you can't be both, motherfucker. We pick one.
Yeah,
What?
you got to be careful. That's why I say, B. This is one of the reasons why I went in closet. I went in the closet. I went in my little shell because I get tired of listening to folks teach them some bullshit. They don't know the fuck they talking about.
Uh,
I got all them. I got all those conference calls. I got off of those out of them Facebook groups. A lot of the folks that I used to communicate with, like in the conference call, I used to be a part of. I got all of that shit. It's some bullshit.
yeah.
You don't find nobody in that group getting free. I haven't seen nobody that get free.
I do have some good news for you on that though. I got a guy that he not in no group. He not in no group, but he done got free and is getting he got to the point where he got to get a black card because one of the counterparts he got has got the black card. He dealing with Rourke and he got the black card, or as far
Hmm.
as getting unlimited credits. And
Hmm.
he done got all this shit done. And he helping me out. So once I get all my shit in place, I give it to you. You go for what you want to know. But he out of the system. He said he only he operates in commerce. Everything else he is on the land. He out of the system. He's done. I just moving commerce only. And that's the cost to
I
get
done
a
heard, man, I done
huh?
heard that story so many times. I ain't seen nobody show no proof of that.
Well, I got the proof. I got a guy got some proof on. He paid.
But
He showed
see,
me.
keep in mind, Marcus, I've heard people say they know us, like they know somebody that say they got
Oh
proof.
no! I got this guy. He gave me his example for using how to use the equity thing, and he showed me his receipt from the IRS where he used the equity, and he said he got everything he put in place. And he gave me the receipt where the same dates and the same numbers match up in the IRS. I was like, oh snap!
But
So,
the thing is, if you wouldn't know what to look for, anything they show you can look impressive.
oh well, I don't know. I
Keep
just
that
use
in mind.
popular receipt.
It's like this here. Like when somebody, if somebody saying they tell you they got this, they know this, like, okay, if I've never studied anything about this stuff at all, period, and I'm looking for some answers on this stuff, and
Yeah,
I run into somebody that articulates well, and it sounds like they've actually done this. They know some stuff. They sound like they know more than me because I'm the one looking for the stuff. I'm looking for the information, and I found this person. I talked to this guy, and this guy he can lead me anywhere because I'm clinging. I find myself clinging on to him because he done wooed me with some information I never heard of before. And so if I don't know information, I don't know how to do it myself, then that means I would not know erroneous information if I saw it because I don't know enough about it to be able to say this is correct. But like if somebody showed me how to register a name in Georgia, this is an example, and they show me that they register the name according to the Georgia statutes, and they show it to me, I'll be able to tell you if that shit is done correct or not, because I know what the
right,
fucking statute said, and I've done it before. Okay, so I can show. So if somebody shows me their example, what they've done, I can tell you right now it's done right.
exactly.
So because I've done it and I know it. Okay. But if I don't know it and somebody can say you registered the name and then I've never seen an example of how it's been done. I've heard somebody articulate it and they showed me what they did. Then that stuff got little stamps and shit on there, you know, got notary seals and all that. It looks fancy. It looked like it's some art, some valid shit. And it looks impressive because I don't know shit. I don't know shit about it. You know what I'm saying? So if I don't know shit about it, then I don't know how to do it. Then I can be wooed with some paperwork that looks impressive, and
Well, look at like,
it may not be valid.
well, look at this right here. I agree with you 100%. That's why I never did the A for V process.
Mm-hmm.
But I said it looked good, but I need more proof. All I'm
Mm-hmm.
saying, the guy that I'm talking about, he showed me the actual documents he sent in and showed me the receipts he got back. That's all I can tell you. I mean, I don't know. I'm not telling you that I believe everything everybody say,
Mm-hmm.
but when you actually got a receipt from the IRS and it's an actual IRS form, handwritten receipt, I kind of tend to go with that as being factual.
Okay. Go
You know
for
what I'm
with
saying?
it. Go for it. Try it and see how it works. That's the
Yeah,
only
I'm
one
doing
way
it
to
right.
find out.
I'm doing it right now, so we'll see. But he's saying that he showed me the receipt. I'm looking at it right now. Like, yeah, it looks official to me. This is yeah,
Okay. Do your
this
thing.
is official.
It's all good. It's all good.